Welcome back everyone, Mike McConville here one more time, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for String Tech Workstations. We've got a couple of Gibsons in I'll be working on over the next few days. This is an ES345 with the Veritone selector. This has got the bling, all the gold hardware. Now Dave did put that TP6 tailpiece on there. He was having trouble keeping it in tune and has decided to go for a compensated nut, not surprisingly, especially for the Gibson shorter scale guitars. And this also needs some pretty serious attention at the neck to body joint, and we will be covering that step by step. And this is one more Gibson broken headstock. Now Ryan sent this up from Pennsylvania, and we'll be doing the full neck surgery blow-in on this one. Let's have a look at the headstock. So there's a reasonable amount of long grain on this one. We will be redoing the headstock overlay, the fiber overlay, and slicing and splicing, putting in our splines, and basically strengthening this headstock so that it's twice as strong as it was when it left the factory. Here's another angle. That's a nice looking top. Well, as heartbreaking as it is, when it's all done, this will be a Les Paul for life. So stick around, lots more to come on both these Gibsons.